Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. I have an adorable 2-bed, 2-bath, and bunk room condo right here overlooking the Gulf. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this 2-bed, 2-bath unit here at Grand Panama Resort. We're Gulf-Front. You've got a nice large granite kitchen leading into your eating area, which leads directly into the seating area. It's exactly what you'd want, straight from the kitchen all the way to the views of the water. And now let's go check out this main bedroom. Welcome to this main ensuite. What I super love about it is you can have your head in the bed and looking right at the water. But of course, you also have a nice expansive ensuite. You've got dual sinks, a nice shower, extra tub, all that you need right here. And again, even from here, you can see the water. Isn't it perfect? So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link for all the added details, price, square footage, and everything you'd like to know. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any more deals like this beauty.